Welcome back. In this video we will learn how to create the menus. So this is the horizontal menus and this is the vertical menus. Click on any menus, click on fashion, and here I can see these are the categories, not actual menus. These are the original categories. Okay, so menus and categories are both different things. So first of all, go to your dashboard, click on catalog and categories. From here we can add categories and subcategories that will appear directly here, not on menus. So add new, and for learning purpose we just put name as test category. Copy the same thing and put it under meta tag title, because these are the mandatory items, so we need to fill it. And after that, go to data, leave it as it is. In design, leave it as it is. Simply save it, and we can see it would be available here. So this test category has been created, and again click on add new, and this time we will create a test subcategory. Copy the same thing and paste it under meta tag title. And for this time, in order to create the subcategory, we need to select a parent category so that it will created under that category. So we have created test category, we will create parent category as test category. Okay, and leave it as it is. Save it, and this will create the subcategory like this way. Okay, but go to your website and refresh. It is not available in menu section. Also go to the home page and check in vertical menu. You will not able to see the test category here, but it would be available in original category list, that this test category is available here. Click here on test category and you can see the subcategory also is available. Okay, so in this way we can create categories and subcategories. Now we will learn how to, after creating the categories and subcategories, how we can create the menu in actual. So go to dashboard, here in theme control there is mega menu, or otherwise alternatively go to the extension, and in module you will find PAV mega menu. This is for horizontal menu, and this is PAV vertical mega menu. This is for vertical menu. In many designs only the mega menu would be available, but this in particular, this design, the vertical mega menu is extra, as a extra it is available. But always remember, in your mobile view only the horizontal menu would be available, not vertical menu. So click here now, and we can see this starts from the home, fashion category, blogs, deals, contacts, everything is available, and the same thing is available here. Okay, now we will create a menu. So for the purpose we will put it name as test menu. Okay, now in this type we can select URL subcategory information and other options are available. For the purpose we are selecting category because we wanted to link it to the category page. So we will select it, test category. Okay, leave it as it is, save it, and we can see the test menu has been created. Now refresh your website and you will see the test menu is now available, and then once you click it, it will open the test category page. Okay, now come back again to the website and check how we can decorate these things, like in this category menu these are the different blocks, pop-up blocks. So how we can create, we should also learn these things, how we can put an image or other things. So go to the mega menu and click on live mega menu editor and click on category, and you need to study these settings. Okay, so you can study these settings like create sub menu. Yes, you can define the width of sub menu wrapper, you can define the alignment, and after that you need to study the settings of these widgets. Okay, like there is 46 category ID. So from where you can get it, go to category and we can see bookcases. So bookcase is having this ID and this is the parent ID. The 34 is the parent ID for furniture. (34) is the parent ID of furniture, and within that bookcase is available. The ID is 46. So from here we can pick the ID number and we can put it like 46 comma and other ID numbers. Okay, and after that you can save it. So we will learn it separately also, and so this way you can study and you can create different menu. Alternatively, for test menu I'm going just try to learn another way, like create sub menu. Yes, put a width, for example 800. Okay, so this is on very right corner, so make alignment like this way, or you can put this way also. Okay, now click on add row. No, delete this, row is already added. We will click on here. Okay, now we will make it, you can divide, like if you want 4 items, these are the 4 group: categories, accessories, fashion and shop. That means you should divide 12 by 4 and you will get 3 size. So you can set column width 3 for each. And now subcategory in parents, so we will put it this way, like for uh, test menu there was, sorry, test categories, the ID was 105. So let's check what we get. So we are putting a widget name like test widget. Okay, display title, enable display title. Okay, now parent category I will put 105. 105, and the limit is 6. This is the limit for subcategory, and we have just one category right now, so only one category would be visible here. Click on tab button on your keyboard and you can see the save it. So I can see this is created. Now further again click here, one sec, yes. So again we will put 3, we will create another subcategory. For this time we will take example of fashion. So ID for fashion is 25. Okay, fashion 25, tab in your keyboard, save it. You can add more to, like we have, click here, and for this again, if you just wanted to have 3 blocks, so you need to set column with 4 for each. So we are going to set 4 columns, so we are putting 3 as column width. Now again click here, subcategory, and this time we will take this health and beauty, and for this the category ID is 24. Put health, okay, health 24, save it. Add one more, 3. This time we will take another one, the electronics. For electronics the ID is 33. This is the 33. Electronics 33. Save it, and now click here. Oh, set, yes. Click here, save. Now go to your website and refresh. We will see this type of categories has been, pop-up menus has been created. Okay, so this is the way. Now we will also learn in few designs, like type 1 designs. We will learn how to make the menus. We need to follow the same what we have explained just now. Only the difference, there is one more kind of menu creation in this case. First of all, go to the dashboard, click on extension module, and there is PAV mega menu. So here we see home, fashion, and up to last footwear, offers, blogs. So you can see these menus are available. So we will learn fashion. So in this fashion there is women's and then there is sari within that. So we will check the settings for fashion. So the same settings we will follow it. We will take care of parent ID. In this case it is root. We will do the settings for this and leave all the things as it is, and after that check woman. So in this case, especially in parent ID, you will see the parent ID is not root but it is fashion. So it is coming within fashion, you get women's, and after that sari. So check the settings of sari also. So in this case you will see the parent ID as woman, okay, and follow the same settings as it is. So by this way you can create this kind of menu, okay. And you can also check the widget settings for this video, or you can check here front fashion show, edit here. And you will see how it is done from here. You will select type as HTML, and after that from here, from click source, and you can put the videos code from here. You can follow this kind of settings. Okay, now we will learn menu creation with the help of widget. So these are the widgets. You can check the settings how these widgets are done, especially for this sample code. One sample code widget is available, check. So this is the code. You can copy this code and you can modify it as per your requirement. So in a notepad paste it, okay. We will create another widget. Select HTML, put any name, like we will try to put name as fashion 2, and after that we will modify it and we will put this code here. But before that, go to mega menu item, create another, save and create new, create another menu, name it as fashion 2, select category, the same process, leave it as it is, save and create new, and I can see fashion 2 menu has been added here. Refresh your website, and I see the fashion 2 is available here. Now we will put a drop down menu like this, but in different way, with the help of widget. So go back, create a menu, create a widget, name it like fashion 2, and we will modify this code and we will put here. But before that, click here and you will see the original set of categories are available. So go to women, and you can see these are the further subcategories of within menu within women's. So click sari for example, and I can see this is the, you can note down the link from here. It starts from index.php. Copy this, go here, and for example if we wanted to modify it, put sari and replace this hashtag by this link. Similarly we can do the modification for each line. If we wanted to add or delete this line, we can do it, and after that copy this code, go to here and paste here. So fashion 2 widget is created. Similarly we can create more widgets, and after that go to live mega menu editor. Here follow the same, add column, click here, from here insert any widget. Let us suppose insert this fashion 2. Similarly we can add more, add column, you can create another widgets. Currently I am inserting this sample code to just show you. Click here save, this save button, click here, refresh it, and you will see drop down menu has been created this way. This is the sari. Click here and it will open the sari tab, sari page. Click here sari, and sari category page will open. That's it in this video.